So if you're a person that loves wax warmers but you hate the cleanup, you have to listen up. This video is for you. ScenTrio sent me this electric wax warmer. And of course, yes, it's beautiful. I love that it's a smaller size, so it doesn't clutter up my countertop. And I love this remote. You can set it for the number of hours and also the strength that you want the scent to flow. They also sent 2 of these packages of waxes. One is creme brulee and one is like a really cozy, calm rain scent. I loved it. Okay, so I'm going to show you where I got a little confused. I opened the package, pull one out. This is what it looks like, and I set it in the warmer. Now I was going to go ahead and set it for like a couple of hours so I can come and finish the video. But first off, I looked at the package. I love it. So cool. You can actually see the notes of your scent for the creme brulee one. This creme brulee one is everything. Also for this one, the bamboo here, I'm going to show you the scents on it. If you like a nice calm scent, it is this. Now, this is where I got confused. 2 hours later, I came back and I was like, what's going on? Why hasn't this melted? Then it dawned on me. This is what they meant when they said a no mess wax melt. Because I could smell this all through my house. And I was like, how is it not melted? It's on, it's working. Like I was trying to figure it out. Guys, this is so awesome. You can get these and never have to worry about pouring the wax out and it's sticking in there. This is a no mess wax melt. The scent is very strong, has a very strong throw, and this is perfect. And a lot of people don't even know about this. So I'm telling you, this would make an amazing gift.